Hey food fam, welcome back to another video. If you want to join my food family, then make sure you subscribe down below.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
So in today's video, we are making some delicious honey balsamic lamb chops. But hold on guys, hold on. Whew. This box is heavy. This video is sponsored by Patrick. Guys, their cookware is amazing. And you are going to see just how amazing it is once you see how these lamb chops turned out. So it's only fair that I share with you guys Patrick. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video because the girl is hungry. Okay, so I've had this soaking. These are my lamb chops here. And I've had it soaking in some lemon water for a while. This is just to like wash it off. I don't know about you guys, but where I'm from, we wash our meat. I might have some of you guys going, you're washing away the flavor. Oh, you shouldn't do that. Well, guess what? I need it. Now we're gonna season it up. So I'm gonna put in some smoked paprika, some onion granules, Italian seasoning, my all-time favorite seasoning, aromat. I didn't even realize it was finished. Damn, I need to get some more. But guys, this is the business. A little bit of garlic powder and some smoked sea salt. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna drizzle that with some olive oil. If you wanna wear gloves, you guys, you can, but I'm just gonna get my hands right in. And we are going to season it up. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. So now that's seasoned, we are going to leave to marinate for a little bit. If you have 24 hours, then that's great. But if you don't, a couple hours should do. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for a few hours. All right guys, so we are going to heat up the pan with a little bit of oil so that it gets nice and hot. And we're gonna sear our lamb chops. I know that all the crazy chefs will be probably coming for me now because I overcrowded the pan. And in the chef's world, you don't overcrowd the pan. But guess what? We're in my kitchen, so I do what I want to do. But we're still gonna get that lovely, nice char all over it. I legit cannot be the only one that gets hot in the kitchen. I get so hot and so thirsty. So now guys, we're gonna flip this over. Oh, look how good that looks. Look at that. Oh my god. To the same pan, add some butter. And once melted, add in the chopped onions and saute until translucent. Then you want to add some chopped garlic and scotch bonnet and stir until fragrant. After about a minute or so, add balsamic glaze to the pan. I usually don't use too much, otherwise the sauce will be too acidic, but you know what? Add it to your taste. Then once that's combined, add some lamb stock, water and honey. Then leave the mixture to simmer on a high heat until the sauce thickens. I really love these pans guys. Just look at how nothing sticks to it. That's what I'm talking about. Some easy cleaning, baby. So next we're going to add some salt, garlic powder, parsley and chili flakes to our mixture. Then give it a stir. Then add our lammies back into the pan to suck up all the flavours and juices. Oh my gosh, just look at how amazing this looks. Now I plated this up with some creamy garlic mash and some roasted asparagus. Honestly guys, it tasted amazing, so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe for more, guys. See you soon.